Hi, welcome back to the Santa's Kitchen. I'm Pam, and I have a special treat for you. We are going to be making some cookie cup desserts. If you haven't done so, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Let's get back to the recipe. The original recipe for this cookie cup dessert was 1 roll of cookie dough, sugar cookie dough, and just 1 can of pie filling. Why would you just want 1 flavor? So we're going to go with 2 flavors with the sugar cookie dough, and I thought, hey, why not chocolate chip cookie dough? And we're going to try a different flavor. So we're going to give you 3 different flavors. You're going to try it for the first time just like I am. So we're going to do this together. Hopefully they're going to be delicious. The other ones are. I think it's going to be a win. Well, we have our cookie dough. This is our sugar cookie dough. And you can tell the difference. This is our chocolate chip. But I have to tell you something. All right. I am going to use a regular size muffin tin pan with the little mini papers in it, because the original recipe called for this tiny little mini muffin. Well, who wants a dessert that tiny? It was so small you can't even put any filling in it. So guess what? We improvised. So we're going to put that on the side, and I am going to use my regular size muffin tin. Let me show you how to cut the dough. It's 1/2-inch slices. We're cutting the dough into 1/2-inch slices, and when we're finished with that, we're going to come back and roll them in our little balls and put them into our muffin tins. You just roll it in a ball and you put it in the little cup like that. Now we're going to do 4 of the sugar cookie cups with apple pie filling. That's number 3. Number 4. We're going to do 4 with strawberry pie filling. It's going to taste like a strawberry shortcake. And let me get these rolled up. And then our chocolate chip ones. This is a new one. It's going to be, you're going to see it as first time just as I am. We're going to have chocolate pudding in it. It's going to be great. So let me get these done. And I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and it's going to have to go for about anywhere from 12 maybe to 15, 16 minutes, and we'll check them. And when the sugar cookies are nice and browned, we're going to take them out and let them cool. Last one. Oop. All right, they're ready for the oven. We started out at 12 minutes, and I had to put them in I keep them in for about another 3 to 4 minutes. But as they're cooling, this is what you want to do. They're still soft. So you can use your finger, which is very hot. I would not advise that. But I use this little indentation here. This is a 1/2 tablespoon, and just press each cup down in the center like that. And this is going to make your cup. And as they cool, you'll have a nice, firm little cup to put your filling in. So we're going to do that. And that looks fantastic. And these are going to have to cool for probably, I don't know, maybe a half hour. You want them totally cool before you put the filling in. So let me show you real quick. This is what they look like. It's kind of hot, but not kind of hot, very hot. And this is what they look like. So you've got your cookie dough crust. This is a sugar cookie. We're going to do 4 with apple filling. We're going to do 4 with strawberry pie filling, and we're going to do the 4 chocolate chip with chocolate pudding. So, got to let these cool. Hey, our little cookie cups are all out of the oven. They're nice and cooled. Now we're going to start filling them. We're going to start with our little chocolate chip cookie cups with a little bit of chocolate pudding. Who doesn't like apple pie?
That's my favorite.
Look at our delicious little cookie cup desserts. I mean, they look absolutely fantastic. We've got 3 different flavors. We've got apple. Who doesn't like apple pie, right? And strawberry. This is going to taste like strawberry shortcake. First time for me, and I hope you try it. This is chocolate chip cookie cup with chocolate pudding. These are all going to be great. Now we're going to go put some beautiful toppings on them. All right, we're going to start with drizzling a little bit of this cream cheese icing on our apple. You can make it yourself. I mean, you can buy it. Cream cheese icing is delicious. Some people don't like cream cheese, so you could just use a vanilla. And after we put that on, we're going to decorate it with some pecans on the top for our little apple pecan pies right there. That's going to be delicious. And after we do that, we're going to go with our strawberry, which is going to be like a strawberry shortcake. This is so quick and easy. And I'll put a little on top of each one of those little strawberry cookie cups. That's your strawberry shortcake. Now for the chocolate pudding cake is going to be so good. Now we're going to go ahead and decorate our little chocolate pudding cups with a little squirt of topping on each. And then we're going to put a few little sprinkles on the top, and that's going to finish off our little chocolate cups. So, I mean, I can't decide. Oop, get back up on there. I can't decide which one I want to try first. They all look so good. I had so much fun making these little desserts tonight. They are so good. Try it at home. If you do, let us know. Your kids would love to try to do these. They're so easy, and it's going to be so much fun. Well, I have tried the strawberry shortcake I've made before and the apple. I've never tried the chocolate, so I'm going to go for it. Just remember, when you tell your guests, there is a little piece of paper on the bottom, so they have to peel that off. They don't want to eat the paper. That's a little extra fiber. So anyway, let me give this a try. That looks so good. You ready? Here we go. Very, very good. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. I am not disappointed at all. This is delicious. You have to try these little cookie cup desserts. They're so easy and they're so delicious. You have to give them a try. I had so much fun making these little desserts tonight. They are so good. Try it at home. If you do, let us know. Your kids would love to try to do these. They're so easy and it's going to be so much fun. Well, thank you so much for tuning into the Santa's Kitchen. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And as my husband, my little darling, always says, have a great week and God bless you.